here it starts. Midtown New York City, that was the edge. Just had an amazing lunch with my good buddy Kurt. And now we're walking over to the Moynihan Train Hall here at what we used to call Penn Station. And it's a lovely day in New York City. Love you too, babe.
I really miss you. I love you. You're gonna have the most epic trip.
Yeah. So these little tiny screens that are tucked away off in the corners is nowhere near as good as how they used to have it. Or maybe still have it in Penn Station. But just a big board where the time's flipped over like that. I mean, that's classic. Why you gotta mess with it? Now I'm having to look over here every 2 seconds. This is new. I'm usually at Penn Station. I wonder when they switched over to this. Thank you. So quiet. Okay. So the train's going all the way down to New Orleans, but I'm getting out in Gainesville, Georgia, sometime early tomorrow morning around 7.
7:25 a.m.
Yeah. Bye, babe. I'll see you soon enough. We'll talk. Before I get to talk to you in a little bit. Who knew these existed? Wow. Huh. And there's a shower at the end of this car. And this is the bed up here. Get yourself a little more headroom. Amazing. So, how did I end up here? It's a smart business story. So, I didn't even know these existed. But as I was booking the ticket, it was like, do you want to upgrade to a roomette? And the upgrade price was crazy. It was like another $300 or something. But then they had a system for you to bid, and it was like, what's your minimum bid? And I think I said $150 or something like that. And the minimum suggested bid that was a fair price was $300 or so. But I went for it anyways, and I ended up getting it. So here we are with the upgrade, which is going to be awesome. So now I'll be able to stretch out, get a good night's sleep, and then hit the trail tomorrow morning and hopefully cover some ground tomorrow. We'll see. I planned on taking it slow, but with a good night's sleep I probably can cover at least I don't know, 15 miles tomorrow, but we shall see. Taking it day by day. This is like a hiker's dream here. It's the toilet paper without the tube. That's all toilet paper. That's definitely coming with me. Always got to be on the lookout for stuff that you can bring along with you. So apparently dinner's included. If I was going to be around, breakfast and lunch tomorrow would be as well, but since I'm not, just the dinner it is. I decided to get the beef burgundy and a glass of red wine with butter, I forget what the dessert was, butter cake. We'll see what that is. But we haven't even taken off, and this is great. In the room, and I just realized that I got up for nothing to go look around and try to find the toilet. I saw the shower back there, but as I'm looking over here, I see a little button that says toilet flush. So I'm thinking my bag is sitting on the toilet. I bet you this is the toilet. There you go. Amazing. And then this is the sink. Huh. Pretty cool. And a bathroom with a view. Well, not much of a view right now. Amazing. It's like a self-contained. Got everything in here. Dinner time, and these are the beef braised ribs. I don't know, beef tips, something. And then a little bottle of cab and a view of. This is currently Delaware, I think. But I need the calories, so here goes some hiker trash dining right now. Delicious. And a little packet of salt is going to turn into my electrolytes. So you just saw me eat a packet of butter. Well, this is a butter cake. It's called butter cake. I honestly think it's made with about a pound of butter. This thing weighs a ton. So caloric density right here. It's good. All right, end of day one. I took the seats and converted them into the bed. This is what it looks like. So everything's sealed up with these blinds. They're velcroed so they stay shut, and it's nice in here. Thankful to have a comfy bed. So next time I turn this on, I should be getting ready to get off the train in Gainesville, Georgia. It's just a little bit past 9 o'clock right now, or hiker's midnight, so I'm gonna get a really good night's sleep and wake up tomorrow probably around 6 o'clock and just get ready, eat some breakfast, and then train should be pulling in around 7:15. All right, talk to you later. Gainesville, Georgia Amtrak station. Just got an Uber. Gonna head to Amacolola Falls right now. It's about 45 minutes an hour away. Hope they have one of those on the trail. That's a lot of snakes on the trail. And we're off. No through access to waterfall. Trail closed ahead. Guess that top of falls. Trail to lodge. It's so peaceful, so chill. Everything is just calm out here. It's lovely. So let's go. AT approach trail and the lodge that way. So, I don't know, it's a decent little incline up to the top. I guess the stairs are closed due to construction, but we're going to be at the waterfall in a couple of minutes. I hear the falls down this way, but I don't see any signs. Let's just take a chance and see. I do believe this is them, and the other hikers, they just went up without even noticing that this was here. So one of those things that you just missed. I could go up to the lodge, but I've seen it enough and I'm not staying there. So let's go right to the AT approach trail. Six hours. 6 hours seems like a lot of time. We'll see. What time is it right now? Let's see. It's beautiful. It is 10 o'clock on the dot. So 6 hours from now, that's putting us at 4 o'clock. There's no way. We're gonna be done way before 4 o'clock. We'll see. I feel like I've been walking uphill until right about here. It's a good feeling. It's definitely not like the trails that I'm used to doing little warm-up hikes in back in New York and New Jersey. Oh, here we go, a little downhill. Absolutely beautiful day.
You want your picture?
All right, I'm gonna take a video for my girlfriend.
You don't have a girlfriend.
I have several. Just kidding, babe. You're the only one. I love you. You're gonna get me in trouble already.
Dr. Seuss, baby.
Love it. So this is the first blaze. We just finished the approach trail. I don't know. It was strenuous in air quotes. It wasn't that bad, but now we're just had a lunch and got a beautiful view. And then we're gonna mosey on down the trail a little bit and see where we end up today. We got a lot of daylight left, and it's such a beautiful day. Why waste it? Supposedly there's a plane crash over there, but it's too green to see the wreckage. I'm not gonna go trouncing around in the woods, so didn't see it. Oh well. First bear box. Look at this bear box. And then first shelter. So this is Stover Creek. It's only 2.8 miles from the first white blaze up on top of the mountain. So not that far, but it puts us at around 11 miles for the day. I don't know, may just take a break. May end up being here, but my legs and my knees are sore. My hips are sore, my knees are sore.
I wonder if we're gonna see Mowgli here.
Nope.
Passed on by, damn Billy Goat.
Might be a phone. Stover Creek.
Is it open?
I didn't try to open it. So the norovirus is going around.
What?
Norovirus. I had it in, I don't know how to open it. I had it in New Year's, around New Year's. Oh, that's good. What's in there?
Oh, it's a logbook.
Oh, makes sense. Not a sat phone. First time using the solar squeeze at a stream. It's delicious. Cold spring water. Stream water. I don't know. Think it's from a spring? It's got to be from a spring, right?
Yeah.
Miriam, this is guitar 112. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. One of them's going to stick. Or I can do some hiking together. First time using the solar squeeze at a stream. It's delicious. Cold spring water. Stream water. I don't know. Think it's from a spring? It's got to be from a spring, right?
Yeah.
Miriam, this is guitar 112. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. One of them's going to stick. Or I can do some hiking together. So this is mile 4.4. This is a really beautiful little creek. Nice. Lovely.
Started filming it
Yeah.
So you doing it by yourself?
until hot spring.
Hey babe, we made it to another shelter. So this one is 8.1 miles on the Appalachian Trail. So we have over a 16-mile day for the first one. My left knee's a little sore, but I'm feeling good. Good spirits, met some good people over here. Seems like there's several people in the tent, and we have 2 people here. So it's great. Really awesome. Like, this is a perfect day. It feels so good being out here. So we're at Hawk Mountain Shelter, and it's one for the books. First day.